So Snowflake did explore lower local lows since we started buying this, but I think that this is an outlier, that 105. This is my biggest regret, is that I didn't get this or CrowdStrike on that free money, the free money grab. But you win some, you lose some. As I said, sometimes I just suck, and that's just what it is, man. We're trading this, and we mapped this out for everyone, that this were kind of our demand zones. We did say the first time we streamed and talked about this one, we said we're buying anything under 100 as long as nothing material changes in the business, or anything under 120, excuse me. So I hope somebody was better than me and bought more. Otherwise, we've been buying 125, we can buy up to 147, target of 163 and up, inevitably long-term target 308. I would put this one in that same category as your Palantirs, your Robinhoods, basically your IPO, pop, boom, long consolidation over a 2-year period, and then a boom.
So that boom's going to occur February or March of next year. Their Q4 earnings of this year is going to be home run, fireworks. Right now, it's a story stock. I'm seeing anecdotally, I'm doing channel checks. Like I know this company really inside and out. I don't expect much this week. I think they're going to have really strong earnings of showing like, all right, the things are way better than what the stocks indicate. They're going to have a soft guide because the macro environment for business spending is still like getting better, but it's not good. And this is Q2 of the new CEO. They're going to be more on the conservative side because they're still building those go-to-market AI products. Either way, it's still in a stage 4 chart breakdown, and I don't love being aggressively bullish on stage 4 unless it's a stupid price. Like being below in the low 100s, that's a stupid price. Like that's like no brainer. Again, this is for 10 plus year investors. Like you're gonna wish you can buy the stock in the low 100s. You're going to wish it's going to be a $300 to $400 stock.
This has got pretty decent short-term potential too. This thing could snap back 189 like it's nothing. I mean, we had this move back in April of 22. We went 163 to 224. So that shows you how powerful this breakout over 163 will be. That's why that's a critical level, because there have been 2 instances where this has ripped from 160 to 180 up to 200 plus in one event to 300. And then vice versa, it's sold off from 300 down to 113 in less than, say, 20 weeks. So that shows you that this is like a high velocity liquidity zone where if the bulls come correct, earnings are great, and the market is strong, boom town. It's up. It's gone. Well, you're going 180, 190, 200. And again, I'm just talking chart here, man. We've ripped from 125 to 203. Dude, this thing just the right data, the right time with a little bit of froth. I'm with you.
They've clearly lost their tier 1 valuation. The market doesn't think they belong in that tier 1 valuation among growth tech anymore. That's why you're seeing them go towards the 120s, is because the market's re-rating them as like, oh, you should be in line with your peers rather than that tier 1 multiple. Where's Snowflake if they can regain that tier 1 premium valuation? Like I believe they will. Like I do believe once the market sees that they're actually going to cement themselves in the enterprise AI space and they have a future as one of the leaders in it, just using Palantir as the comp for Snowflake. For Palantir trading at $33 right now, Snowflake needs to be trading at $260 to have the same valuation. If Snowflake proves to the market, these are insane numbers, Rule of 40 score of 60 plus, increasing margin expansion, revenue reaccelerating, tier 1 valuation associated with Snowflake, that's 240 to 260 level. That's why I can see like an insane move for Snowflake once they prove in an earnings report that things are actually not just way better, they're improving and we're guiding up on all fronts. Right now, we're not seeing that because they're in an investment phase in their business cycle of investing on these AI related expenses with no revenue recognition associated to those investments. But that's temporary. That's going to change. And I'm underwriting for Q4 earnings of this year for that to occur. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it happens earlier. So that's why I'm not touching my Snowflake position. I added at 108. I will add more in the low 100s, but it's already a 10% position for me. So I'm overweight. I'm just going to ride it out.
Yeah, if you look at that, that's 6-to-1 risk reward from here, even trading off local lows as stop loss. So 17% downside, following that model, 103% upside, 6-1. So for every $1 you risk, you're making 6, which is more than appropriate. 1 to 3 is quality.